Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at StreamLabs screen recorder, which is a great recorder, and without any further ado, let's get started. So in the Google search here, I'm just gonna type StreamLabs screen recorder and hit enter. So this is the website for streamlabs.com. So I'm just gonna click here. This is the website for StreamLabs. We've got straight away in this site, we've got download StreamLabs screen recording software. I've already downloaded StreamLabs and I've already installed it in my system. So I'm just gonna go to the StreamLabs icon here and double click. So guys, this is the welcome screen of StreamLabs desktop version. So it's pretty simple and very straightforward. Just says live streaming and recording only. I personally like the UI of PepperCloud. It is the web application that I use on a daily basis for my screen recordings. It is super fantastic and you could actually choose whom to go live with. You can hide stuff on the stream, show stuff on the stream, and there are plenty of other options, guys. So I've included a link in the description. Please check it out, guys. Alright, having said that, I'm just gonna click on live streaming here and click on continue. Just lets me choose which platform should I actually go live on. In case if I want to go live on Facebook, I just click on the Facebook live button here and it just asks me to log into my Facebook, and once I do that, I'll set up that account and we'll be ready to go. Alright, I'll close it here. I'm just gonna click on skip. Just lets me see my webcam and the microphone. I'm just choosing the microphone here and just pretty much checking the webcam and microphones, and then I'm just gonna click on continue. Here you can actually start a theme. I'm just going to go for a dog theme. Alright, if I want, I could install a theme here. Just clicking on install. There you go. It just tells me to start a game. I can just click on start a game and see I've got the entire screen to select, screen area to select. So as you can see, there is an alert box coming here, so I don't like it. So if I want to remove the alert box, I'll go right over here under sources. I'm just gonna remove the alert box so that I can see everything. Alright, if I go live, I just create an intro for the live. Alright, so if I'm not starting and the video streaming has already started, I can just give a starting soon page or a be right back page or a intermission page. Right, and I could also tell my viewers that stream is ending soon. This is a fantastic feature of StreamLabs. That's really fantastic. Alright, so when I go live, I just can click on the live button again, and then all I have to do is click on go live. And if you want to record that as well, you can start the recording and then go live. So here it gives me an error that I'm not connected in any account, so that's why I click on OK here. But if you want to actually create a live session, it's pretty easy, guys. But going live is even faster in PepperCloud, and it lets you choose the platform. It lets you actually stream on multiple platforms, so that is one feature that I like. Alright, I'm just gonna click on the bottom left corner here and look at the settings. We've got general settings, stream settings, output settings, and everything. We're just gonna look at one by one. Here are the general settings, which lets you choose the automatic default devices, and you can actually set up dialogues. Alright, I'm just gonna click on the stream options here. So I'm just gonna search streaming services. Do we have a custom streaming server, or which services that we use? Okay, so I can just choose whether I'm going on Facebook, Twitter. There are a lot of other services that you can actually choose. And when I click on the output option here, just lets me choose simple and advanced output mode. If I click on the advanced mode, there I could have recording, what kind of recording should I have, what kind of file format should it be recorded, and in the audio options I would actually choose the bitrate, and if I have multiple audio tracks I could set it up here as well. Alright, so I'm just going to click on audio options here, sample rate, and if you use multiple audio devices you can just set it up here. And in the video options we've got the screen resolution, the output resolution, and what kind of filter I'm going to use, all these things. And later comes hotkeys. You can actually set up your own hotkeys. There is no default hotkeys, but if you want you could set up your hotkeys over here. And on the advanced settings, just lets me just allows you to choose the color format and some other audio recording features. Alright, so then under scene collections I can actually overlay a screen over my recording, and I can do this here as well. So next thing is notifications. So these are the notifications that I get from StreamLabs software when I've installed in the desktop. Alright, when I click on appearance, this is a night theme. If you want I could change it to day theme. I'd rather stay with the night theme, it looks better. Alright, I can just show the live chat on the left side. This is an important feature guys, so you can actually play the game and you can actually show the chat on the right side. And then if you want to set up a remote control you could do this as well. So also if you want you can install a virtual webcam, which actually is basically setting up another video to show up when you're doing the recording. Alright, so there is also game overlay. So just if I just enable this and press one hotkey when I'm inside the game starts to record. So this is basically all the settings which StreamLabs desktop offers. Now I have removed all the screens that is behind, and I'm just going to click on the sources, add. I can actually choose the screen capture here to actually capture my screen, and also I could include the webcam which is already there. Also I can choose the image, color source, text, whatever I want. There are plenty of features. So I'm just going to click on screen capture and it lets me choose the screen. So I'm just going to click my desktop screen here and then click on done. So there you go, we have added a screen here. In case if I want to resize if I want to move the screen, I can move it, and I can also resize my webcam feed here. Also I can replace it wherever I want. I think I'd place it here. This looks fantastic guys. So if I click on the camera button here, I'm just gonna get what I'm going to edit. So in case if I want to edit it, and if I want to change this webcam position to the left hand side, I can do this here and then click on transition, so that after transition whatever the edit that I have done goes to the next page. And this is very helpful if you go live guys. So this is a very important feature. So that's really fantastic what StreamLabs could offer. I'm just gonna start recording. I'm just gonna click on recording here, and the recording actually starts, and we can actually record for a while and look at how the output is there. Alright, so I just click on the record button again to stop recording. Alright, so now if you want to look at your recordings, we've already seen that The output is under the videos area here, so I'm just gonna open my folder here and quickly hover over to the videos. Okay, I think this is the recording here, and the recording actually starts, and we can actually record for a while and how the output is there. All right, the recording quality is very good, so you can actually record videos very easily in StreamLabs, and you can go live easily in a click with StreamLabs as well. So having said that, I think I've covered everything in StreamLabs desktop. So until I meet you guys in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel and sayonara. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.